Who's the best ate ever? It's Ate Sophie.
Go on, tell her a story. Tell your brother a story.
The kingdom of
The kingdom of
X-O.
O.
The kingdom of O.
Okay.
Cookie Monster Queen said, "You can pass me the onion."
Onions.
Onions.
Onions are begin with O.
That's right.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
Can you tell your brother a story? Lay down. Lay
There we
down.
go.
Tell him a
You can
story.
pass
Go.
me the O onion.
Lay down and tell him the story.
Once upon a time.
Oh!
Ah.
He likes it.
Pagkigligitan na.
Lumalaway na yung isa. See, he likes it when you play with him.
Rumble in my belly and a rumble in my belly. Rumble, 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 rumble.
May mga bata sa loob. Ah.
Kawari, di ka nagbahay-bahayan ng bata.
You play with your brother.
You be the vampire.
Who's the vampire?
You be the vampire. You drink his blood. Suck your brother's blood. Come on.
No,
Gusto niya yung colorful. O, tingnan mo si David.
So he'll become a vampire too.
no.
Okay, I'll do it.
Tama na yung kapatid niya. Uy, napukpok niya na.
Ah!
Tuwang-tuwa na.
Ah!
Gusto nga niya. Kasi colorful yung tent. Tapos
Ah!
oh, careful ha. You might hurt your brother.
I can't get in. I can't get in. Ah! Aray ko.
I'm gonna get your brother. Wait. The vampire might get him. Go away, vampire.
Aray, aray, aray. Bagong kuko pa mo siyang talim. Yan pala eh. May bahay na tayong tatlo. Apat.
Looks like a
Ang mainit
bulldog.
pa. Kunin mo yung isa electric fan.